everybody? Thank you for tuning in again to BreezyBriTv. We out here, period. So, in today's video, we're going to go over how I live a positive lifestyle. My lifestyle is pretty positive. I've always been a positive person. It wasn't until about 2 years ago that I started to embrace my spiritual journey for real. And y'all, it's just been a complete level up in energy and vibrancy. So I just wanted to give y'all a couple of tips on how I keep up a positive lifestyle, as well as just positivity in general, waking up positive. Of course, I still honor my emotions, but how I got from just thinking that I love myself to completely now loving myself, every single thing about myself. So yes, let's get into it. The very first thing that really helped me change my lifestyle is do the work. Literally, I did the work, and I'm still doing the work. You know, I'm still learning, I'm still growing. Once I really started to want healing for myself, everything changed. So silence and solitude really just helps you tap in with yourself from a different level. Like, you are alone, you are enjoying alone time. Y'all, I done went on a solo trip by myself. In that time of silence and solitude, to just celebrate my life, it was absolutely amazing. I met so many people, and so many people were drawn to me there. Like, it was an amazing time. Definitely one of my top trips I've ever taken in my life. If you haven't seen my solo trip to Punta Cana, definitely check that out. And another thing, I started to put my phone on Do Not Disturb every single day, just to give myself time for myself, time to meditate, time to just spend by myself. On the iPhone, you could create a custom Do Not Disturb button. So I had another one that was meditate. So people know, do not call my phone again. I'm literally meditating. The thing was solo dates. I started going on solo dates by myself. I went to even though some people might not agree, I went to the club by myself. I felt safe. It was no big deal. And then I ended up getting treated the rest of the night. Like, this gentleman, he paid for everything for the rest of the night, and I was by myself. So that was amazing. I had a great time that night too. And then just silence and solitude to really get to know yourself, get to know what you want in life, what you like, things you don't like. Like, some of us, if someone says, tell me about yourself, some people can't even come up with anything because they don't know themselves. Like, you have to spend time with yourself to really know what you like, don't like, etc., etc. Next tip that I have for y'all that I started doing was doing at least 1 to 3 things that I love doing every single day. It doesn't matter what is going on. I'm going to do these 3 things every single day. It could be one. Sometimes I don't have time to do all 3. So I just make sure I do one thing I love every single day. So dancing, singing. I actually faced one of my fears and posted a singing video on Facebook, and it was like, I was baffled by the comments because that's always just been a fear of mine. Another thing is dancing. I will throw on some Afro beats and dance. Like, so I love to dance. I started doing dancing every night for 30 minutes at first. And then now, obviously, I do yoga twice a day. Another thing I love to do is makeup. It's just being an artist. Because I used to always say that I sucked at art. But then when I started doing makeup, like, listen, I had some skills. Now I feel like I am an artist. This whole time, I am an artist. As well as Canva. So Canva is like this app where you could create custom things, and I have been loving creating little projects on Canva. So I have this tapping into my creativity little activity sheet that I did for myself, and I hang it up here on my wall so that I see it every day. I just like knowing that I created this list. Like, it's so cute. Let me show y'all. So it just says tapping into my creativity, my top 10 commitments for this month. And then like every single thing that I do on a daily basis. Every time I wake up, this is where I'm headed. Like, you're gonna know some stuff that I do during the day, because this is most of what I make sure to get into every day. So then the next one is sleeping with affirmations. Y'all, this is literally not a joke. It's not a game. Sleeping with affirmations will change your life. Like, I've been listening to Jalen. I can even put her affirmations on here somewhere, but her affirmations are so good.
I attract wealthy people towards me.
Yes. And so I sleep with these.
People love giving me lots of money.
Yeah, I love that. So, yes, sleeping with affirmations and also just having affirmations playing throughout the day while you're cleaning, while you're cooking, while you're just walking around the house, while you're playing with the kids. Turn on some affirmations. Like, just let them play in the background. Your subconscious mind is picking up everything that it's saying, even when you feel like you can't hear it. So, you're shifting your reality throughout your day. Like, this is some hot tea I'm spilling right here. I'm really giving y'all the golden nuggets right here, because this, honey, this will change your life. I promise. Next thing that I have started doing, which I'm so proud of myself for, is really taking care of my body inside and out. I have lost 10 pounds. Yes, I lost 10 pounds. I'm slimming on down, y'all. I'm slimming on down. So taking care of my body, learning how to eat clean. Like, I just started, my taste buds started switching up lately, so I haven't been really liking like junk food and stuff like that as much. My taste buds have been wanting to try new things, so I done switched from, in Colorado we have Safeway, so I've switched from the regular grocery store and now I go to Sprouts, which is a farmer's market. And when I tell you the things they have in there, like, it's so, everything is natural. The food is good. Like, I tried so many, I tried a vegan chicken sandwich, a vegan burger, vegan pizza. And I always thought that it was going to be nasty. Whole time it's good. Like, you just got to know which one to pick and which brands to pick. So I have had a couple times where it wasn't good, and so I know now, don't get that brand, try a different brand, test out. So I've been doing a lot of that with vegan foods and gluten-free as well. Using natural herbs for my tea. So natural herbs, I went to the herb store and he mixed me up a bunch of herbs. I drink the herbs as tea. And when I say it's so good and it feels like so good drinking it, I got the one for womb health. So taking care of my womb, making sure my womb is healthy. Because y'all know, I got my IUD removed about, that was December 20th. Now it's March 14th. So I got my IUD removed for my sacral chakra health. So getting that IUD removed was another thing that just completely shifted my body, my energy, my vibration. Everything shifted after I got that IUD taken up out my womb. Like, goodbye. Going the extra mile for my skin. So finding natural things for my skin, because I've had eczema my whole life and it seems like I just keep going to the dermatologist and they keep doing the same stuff and it's still not working. So let me switch to the natural side and see, you know, how that goes. So I've been using neem oil soap. It's like neem oil is really good for eczema, so I've been using that lately. My skin has been smooth. Like right now it's smooth. So yeah, just figuring out the natural way to go has been really like shape shifting my life. So unfortunately my phone tried to say that I didn't have storage. Okay, so we still gonna get the message out. We still gonna do it. Let me just crank open the Sony ZV-1 real quick. Okay, as well as yoga. Y'all, yoga is something that is, you're so connected. Like, you feel so connected. Your body feels so good. Your bones are like literally cracking and releasing. Like, yoga is something that I'm not gonna play about. Like, I have to do yoga every single day, 1 to 2 times a day, period. There's no negotiation on that. Even my little boo thing that I got right now, he do yoga with me because he already knows I'm not skipping it, okay? Next, forgiveness and honoring my emotions. Forgiveness is key, y'all. As much as you want to hold the grudge, as much as you want to say, hell no, they don't deserve forgiveness, promise you, it is for yourself. Forgiveness is actually for yourself. You're choosing to push past that hurt, that pain, and just let it flower into something else more beautiful. Like, it's literally self-love in its truest form to be able to forgive somebody that gave you hurt and pain. Forgiving them frees you. I promise you, the feeling that I felt when I forgave various people, it was a freeing feeling, and I love that about forgiveness. And learning to let it go, releasing it, and just not letting it even have a corner in your life anymore. Like, no. Journaling has also been huge for me, y'all. Journaling, getting your feelings on paper, writing it out, getting the emotions out. Like, I used to love journaling when I was a kid. I fell off. I will always just fall off of journaling, do it for a week, and then I'm not journaling anymore. But I chose to give it to myself to journal, to get my feelings on paper. When I was a kid, I also used to love crocheting. So look who has started back crocheting. I have. Yeah. It was just one of my childhood crafts. I was very crafty. Like, I used to like to make those little lanyards, the things you put on your keychains. I used to like to do all that. And last but not least is believing. Actually believing that everything is always working out for you. No matter what, everything is working out for you. Like, yes, sometimes I catch myself worrying, or I'll catch myself having a fear of something, but everything is always working out for you. Why do you need to worry about it? There's no need to worry. Your spirit guides are working. The universe is working on things that you can't see, but it's coming. Believing that I can be successful. That's another thing. But actually believing your worth, success, your worth, believing in yourself, your worth, betting on yourself. Like, you have to bet on you. You have to take the chance. You have to take the leap. Like, I was gonna give up on my YouTube channel because I was feeling like I'm not, like, progressing, but at the same time, I do have a couple of videos that I'm very proud of but I had to always also realize that it's not about the views. Like, it's not about the views. It's not about the likes. You're doing something that you really love doing. You've always loved being in front of the camera since you was a kid. Like, that's the reason you should be doing it. Not because you want views and likes. Like, we're just getting social media has made us get it so twisted. But just know, girl, post the content. Guy, girl, post the content. It doesn't matter. Just post the content, okay? Just do what you want to do. Like, just do what you want to do. It's social media. It's all sorts of people, like, just doing what they want to do online. Why not? Just do what you love to do. If you love to crochet, get online and do some crocheting. Show people your talent. Like, why not? Just actually feeling like I don't really give up what nobody think. Yeah, like, that's kind of how you gotta live. That's the best way to live, because you don't care about what people think. You don't care about what people think about the post, about your comment, about your status, about your, like, no. Social media has made us just care about what people think so much. And I'm trying to, not even trying, I am leaving that behind. I'm leaving that behind. Because, trust me, I've been called every single name in the book about liking crystals, about just being this spiritual girl. I've been called a witch before. I've been told I need to repent. I've been told that I need to get back to Jesus. I've been invited to a Bible study. I send those people love. I'm still gonna send you love. I don't agree with you, but I'm gonna send you love regardless. I know what I'm doing when I'm doing this. It has guided me to the most positive and uplifting outlook and perspective in life that I've ever had. I am gonna change and grow and evolve, of course, but far as like changing my spirituality and having a positive outlook, I'm not gonna ever change. Everything is working out. The universe is conspiring in your favor at this very moment while you hear me saying this to you. The universe is putting all the pieces together for you. You don't need to worry. Stop worrying right now. Just let it go. Just let go of the worry right now. Please, just let it go. Don't worry about the how, the when, the who, the what. Just believe that if you really want it, it's coming, okay? The sky is not even the limit. There is no limit. We are limitless. We can have anything in our life that we want, that we desire. But it'd be so, like, just seeing people that don't see it, it's like, come on, wake up. But anyway, yeah. But yes, those are the things that I have just really embraced to open up my heart to self-love completely in its truest form. I hope that you all begin to take some of these tips and implement them in your everyday life and feel it. Comment down below. Let me know how it's going for you. Let me know if you resonated with anything that I said. And make sure to check out my crystal shop. Yes, my necklace is from my brand, Breeze Crystals. So I'll link that in the description box below. Just join a tribe, okay? Just join a tribe. Go ahead and subscribe. The red button right down there. Just go ahead and subscribe. You might as well like this video, and thank you so much for watching. I hope that you all have a marvelous day, and like I always say, stay positive. Bye.